In this video, I want to go through Stablefund and why I recently decided to invest more money into it. I'm going to share with you guys my thought process on it, as well as try to educate you guys on why this investment may not be sustainable. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Eric here and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day and are doing well. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss these new updates. But today we're talking about Stablefund and the reasoning behind my additional deposit into Stablefund. As we can see, yesterday, September 20th, I decided to deposit another $1,000 in this basically Ponzi scheme that I think it is. And we're going to go through again why I specifically say this, but I've decided that I'm going to take the risk and deposit more money into it. Now, initially, I deposited $200 back on September 12th, and I have been able to withdraw this profit. I've been able to send it to my MetaMask, and I decided personally, based on my financial position, that I was going to take the risk to invest more money into Stablefund in the hopes that I could generate more passive income. Now, passive income is a huge buzzword here. You are essentially taking the risk, locking your money in this platform for 28 days in the hopes that after 28 days, you can take it out and you can also make some money. And as it says, hopefully make 1.5% on a daily basis. Now, it has been paying 1.5% daily, but is it sustainable? Is it a Ponzi? They do say they have trading bots. We kind of already made a video on all of that and my view on it. But the reasoning behind me investing more money into this platform, this is not me saying that you guys should be investing in this one, because my financial situation may be a lot different than yours. So this is why it's very important, especially when you're hearing these people make crazy amounts of money on a daily basis with their passive income plays. Well, they may have a lot more money to play around with, and they also have a lot of money invested in these projects. So for me, if this were to absolutely fail and I would lose my $1,200, yes, it would actually suck. I mean, I would be probably really sad for a couple of days, but this $1,200 for me would not be a life-changing amount. I don't need this money next month to pay my rent. I am okay with locking it for 28 days and taking the risk while doing so. But if you are in a situation different than mine and different than your friends, and you see your friends investing in this, making some money, and you're like, okay, well, I have this sum of money. I have $2,000, but I kind of need it and I can't lose it. So my recommendation to you would be to not invest that $2,000, because when you're investing, there's always risks, and especially on a short time frame like that, you never know what can happen. Now, if we specifically talk about Stablefund, yeah, sure, it's all good on the outside. People are making money. People have literally thousands and thousands and tens of thousands, even not $100,000 invested in this, and are making a killing on a daily basis. But now when you're watching those videos and you're like, wow, I just wish I had that much money, you kind of forget that you have other commitments in life and you have other things that you have to pay for. And this is where it gets tricky when you're talking about DeFi investments. Their risk is just enormous, and people tend to forget that, and they only look at the positive benefits of investing in a project like Stablefund. Now, enough of this rant. If we just go on to the terms and conditions of Stablefund, this is literally on their website. If you scroll down here, the biggest risk, in my opinion, is this termination clause. They essentially say we may terminate or suspend your access immediately without prior notice or liability for any reason whatsoever, including without limitation if you breach these terms and conditions. Now, they say if you breach these terms and conditions, you may get terminated, and they also say that you may get terminated for any reason whatsoever. So again, that is exactly why I'm saying don't invest money you can't afford to lose. This is locked for literally 28 days, and I can't take this $1,000 out, and I can take this $200 out only in 20 days. Now, sure, it's generating me profits along the way, but again, you just have to really look at your financial situation and allow yourself to think whether or not you need that money. And if you lose that money, what is going to be your reaction? Are you going to be in need of finding another job, or are you going to be okay with that loss? That is something you guys have to figure out for yourselves. And if we take a look at why they say it's sustainable, they say it's sustainable by continued community support. They're basically saying this is like any other crypto coin. Then they also say that they have bots trading on multiple platforms and that it doesn't allow anyone to instantly withdraw all of their funds. So if you ask me, it's a bit skeptical. I mean, one, they're going to be sustainable because the community is supporting it and people are depositing money into this platform. It kind of screams Ponzi in my opinion. And secondly, you're sustainable because you are locking people's funds for about 1 month. So again, understand the risks with this platform and understand your financial position. And if we take a look at my position, as I said, I put in another $1,000 into this and I understand the risks. I'm okay with losing this money. And in my mind, I am saying that this $1,200 right now is practically gone for the next month because I don't have access to it. And that is just okay with me. So I hope you guys understand where I'm coming from making this video. I'm trying to let you guys know that yes, you can see people make thousands of dollars in a protocol like this, but the risks are huge. And the fact that they can terminate your account whenever they want, your funds are locked, and we don't necessarily know where the money is coming from other than people on the project saying it's from AI trading bots. We simply just don't know. Now, I am willing to take the risk, invest more money in the hopes of making more money, but in my opinion, this is still very skeptical, and it's up to you to make that wise decision based on your personal finances. So with all of that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're probably going to make another update video when this is closer to being available for withdrawal and see where all of this Stablefund hype is at, maybe in 20 days from now or maybe in a few weeks. We're going to stay tuned and see and hope for the best. But with all of that being said, if you've enjoyed the education and the transparency of this investment, then definitely make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.